Our body is an orchestra, consisting of billions of nerve cells and trillions of immune cells. Together they perform a complex modern symphony called life. But in order to produce music, not noise, they need to play in tune and synchrony. I want you to remember the last time you had a bad flu. The pounding head, the aching muscles, the slow thinking, the poor sleep, the fatigue. It might not sound like it, but this is music. Everything is working together to help you heal. But imagine you don't recover, ever. These are the symptoms of fibromyalgia, one of our most common chronic pain disorders. But despite being common, costly, and catastrophic for the individual, we don't know what causes it or what maintains it. The music has turned into noise, produced by exhausted musicians and a conductor who's lost the score. I studied this orchestra. Specifically, I studied the interplay between the nervous and immune systems and whether it's changed in fibromyalgia. Because this interplay doesn't happen only when there's inflammation. It happens all the time throughout the body. In the gut, in the skin, in the blood, across the blood-brain barrier, and in the brain itself. The symphony of life. It's a beautiful thing to witness and to experience, but for many suffering from fibromyalgia, it can be a horrible noise to endure. What I found through collecting feces, blood, skin, cerebrospinal fluid, and taking images of brains is something quite spectacular. It seems in fibromyalgia we have a dysregulated microbiome, we have depleted cellular energy levels, poor nerve cell health, leaky barriers, and distorted brain rhythms. A cacophony, out of tune, out of synchrony, reaching from all the way outside the body into the very brain. And these findings help create a new perspective around fibromyalgia as a disease not of tissue damage or mental health, but as one of neuroimmune miscommunication. An orchestra in disarray. And it helps to provide hope to millions of sufferers worldwide that perhaps we can learn to understand this miscommunication. And with this knowledge, help bring the orchestra back to playing in tune and synchrony again. Thank you.